Welcome to Part 2 of Esri Canada's NG9-1-1 Data Manager instructional video series. In this session, we'll look at how to place addresses in multiple parcels and buildings, add addresses to existing and temporary roads, and add additional locations. Select the Address Feature tool, and then fill the Parcel Centroids, or Fill Building Centroids tool. Drag the cursor through the parcels to be addressed. The next step is to assign a street name. Going to the lookup, as before, we can use 4 different methods of finding the street name. In this case, we'll use the parcel. The radius can be adjusted with the slider, and all roads that intersect the search area will be listed in the Street Lookup drop-down list. We'll select Manorwood Drive. Next, we'll complete the address numbering. Select the hamburger icon next to the address number, enter the start address number and the increment, and select Apply. As with single address placement, you can enter the postal code. The municipality, province, and GWID are automatically entered. If everything is correct, select Save. A related function is the Move Addresses tool, which is used to move one or multiple address points. In the Address tool, select the Select an Existing Address Point tool. Select either Parcels or Lasso. You can also include units in the selection. Select the parcels where the addresses are to be moved. The Attribute panel will be displayed. Select the Lasso or Rectangle tool to select the address points. A selection rectangle will be displayed. Position the mouse inside of the rectangle and move the addresses to the new location. Select Save. Address points can be added to a road by selecting the Add Address Points by Road tool and selecting the road. In the panel, the road name will be displayed and the starting address number and address increment can be set. Set the address point location using the Snap drop-down and start placing addresses. Select Escape, and then select Save. A pop-up will be displayed asking whether to update the road address ranges. If Yes is selected, the Update Address Ranges panel will be displayed. Select Update. The address numbers that will be used to calculate the address ranges will be highlighted. The search buffer can be increased or decreased if need be. If the address range fields are correct in the Attribute panel, select Save. To address a temporary road, select the Address Temporary Linear Feature tool. Start drawing the road, usually by snapping to an existing road. In the panel, we can set the address point distance from the center line, as well as the start and end points for the addresses. The number of address points can be set by either entering the number of addresses or the distance between addresses. The addresses can also be moved to the opposite side of the road. Select Generate. The road attributes such as street name and address numbers can be assigned as explained previously. Select Save. To address along an existing road, select the tool and then select the road. Complete the same steps as in the Address Temporary Linear Feature tool. Up next is Part 3, Grid Addressing.